Hey, what's up? This is Bob from the RC Dungeon. Wanted to kind of take you guys on a video tour of what it's like here in the dungeon. This is my build table. Over here I got my computer. This is where I do some of my RC Dungeon stuff. At least I can monitor what's going on the page right here on my build bench. And I'm going to take you on a tour, give you a little bit of an idea of all the different vehicles that I got down here that I play with on a pretty regular basis. And then I'm going to actually give some props to some people who've actually helped me out. And there's a whole bunch of them. So let's gotta have some Captain Crunch, you know. Large scale RC over there, definitely some good guys, been around for a long time with them. Got some large scale boats going on here. If you look over there, there's an FG, 8 scale SC truck, 8 scale buggy, a couple T-Maxes, one of them's a hybrid, rally car, Blitz, another T-Max down there, a couple TC3s, another FG, my original Baja. Then there's my desk. There's a lot of stuff going on down there. LC Racing EMBT 18th or 14th scale. My desk, and then this is HPI Baja corner over there. There's large scale RC again, and Gabe Brown Engineering, Gabe Brown Racing, GBE. They both helped me quite a bit. I really appreciate all the help. All these guys here, it's got stickers hanging on the wall here. I wish I could actually thank each and every one of them. I might even in the credits anyway, but these are the original guys that helped make the HPI Baja what it is, or what it was. Anyway, to me it still is. These cars are amazing. I've done about everything that there is to do with an HPI Baja. I mean, there's a ton more that can be done, and it just amazes me. So, anyway, here's my stereo system. These are the stairs that come down from my upstairs. Got all kinds of reference material over here. These are old RC Driver and RC Car Action magazines and stuff. Got a little TV down here. Could watch some television if I want to or whatever. Underneath my bench, I got all kinds of projects still going on. Just amazing. You'd be surprised what's even under there. Got some spare radios under here in case I need to try anything out real quick. I can grab one. Max amps, worked with Max amps before. Good guys, got some really good batteries. Vertigo Performance, Clayton's a great guy from up in Canada. Got him hanging next to the American flag. He'll beat me over the head for that. These are some clear bodies and stuff that I got projects wise that are still yet to come. Bunch of the tools that I use, my tire rack, cabinet where I keep my paints and my airbrushes and some tires and crap. Airboat, another organizer for parts. 5th scale short course. It says it's a flux, but it's not. Actually, it's a 27 built by me. This is my charging bench, stainless steel. It's actually a sink, so you can actually wash in it if you want to. Plug the drain off and then put it in a bucket, whatever. Novak, been around with me for a long time. It's signed by Bob Novak, one of the last ones out of his shop. Sucks to see him go, but I mean that's the way it goes. A lot of cool stuff down there. Several T-Maxes, large scale boats, associated 5BM, I think. More projects down here. See, I got my kerosene heaters going. Got my Captain Crunch. No build table's good without some Captain Crunch and some pretzel nuggets, you know. If you guys like being on Facebook, check out the RC Dungeon. Come check us out. Always something going on here. These are projects that are currently being worked on. I'm in this crawler mode, so these are all crawler projects I'm kind of playing around with, doing different upgrades on. I want to thank my buddy Jeff Owens from Owens Machine and Welding in Monticello, Indiana for this killer sign. And like I said, if you want to come check us out on Facebook at the RC Dungeon. Later.